Okay, sorry about the shakiness of this video, but I'm holding the camera by hand. I just wanted to make a video on the error code P0410. I had this error code and looked it up online on YouTube, and everything kept pointing me at the check valves in the secondary air pump line. So what you have is a check valve here, and that goes into this T thing, goes up across the pipe in the back, comes back to another one here. So I changed both of those, and each time the code would come back. Let me back up a little here. This is the secondary air pump here. That's right there is the actual pump. There's another check valve here. Some lines, like I say, there's a line that goes over to here to these check valves I already talked about. And then there's an exhaust tube right there. So the problem, if you get that code, could be a bad pump, no power to the pump, bad check valve here, bad check valve here, and like I said, bad check valve on the other side. Well, checked everything, replaced both valves. I was about to change this valve, and on one website somebody said about checking the vacuum lines. So I'm looking here, and you've got this vacuum line here which goes to this check valve, and that's one check valve I didn't change. So you got this vacuum line here. I followed it over, and it comes over into this solenoid, comes up here, runs over here, and goes into the manifold. And this is exactly what it looked like. So, and then, and I happened to tug on this, and it did that. This is not connected. And if I can zoom in here or look a little closer, this hose is pretty much messed up. Now I've already loosened this top part, but this hose connects into this, and that's where it gets its suction from the negative pressure in the manifold. So I plugged this in and never got the error code again. So it's key that you look at the entire system. All right, so I've changed that vacuum line. I bought this vacuum line, silicone vacuum line, on eBay for like $5 for 25 feet, free shipping, something like that. So that's all it takes. Just make sure that your vacuum that comes off of the manifold, all these lines are good, all the way into check valve, or that solenoid valve into this check valve, and that you got power to the pump. But check the easy stuff first.